In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a tax rate in Xero step by step. Whether you need to update an existing tax rate, adjust a percentage, or create a brand new tax rate for your organization, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your organization name. Go ahead and click on the organization name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage different parts of your Xero organization, including general settings, users, features, and tax configurations. Once you're inside the settings page, look for the section labeled Tax. Under this heading, you'll see an option called Tax Rates. Click on the Tax Rates tile to open the full list of tax rates currently set up in your Xero account. Now you'll see all your existing tax rates displayed on the screen. From here, you have two main options. You can either change an existing tax rate or create a completely new one. If you want to change an existing tax rate, simply click on the name of the tax rate you want to edit. For example, you might see something like Sales Tax or VAT. Click directly on that tax rate name. This will open the detailed settings for that specific rate. Inside the tax rate settings, you can adjust the display name if needed. You can also review the tax components that make up that rate. If you need to update the percentage, locate the Tax Component section. Here, you can modify the percentage value to reflect the new rate. For example, if the tax has increased to 8%, you can enter 8.00 in the percentage field. Make sure you double-check the numbers you enter to avoid calculation errors in future invoices and transactions. Once you're happy with the changes, scroll down and click Save. Your updated tax rate will now be applied going forward. Now, if instead you need to create a brand new tax rate, the process is just as simple. From the Tax Rates page, click the blue New Tax Rate button. This will open a fresh tax rate setup screen. Start by entering a display name. This is the name that will appear when you select the tax rate on invoices, bills, and other transactions. For example, you could name it State Tax 8% or GST 15%, depending on your needs. Next, go to the Tax Component section. Here, you'll need to enter the name of the tax component and the percentage. For example, you might enter State Tax as the component name and then type 8.00 as the percentage. If your tax includes multiple components, you can add additional lines as needed. After entering the correct details, carefully review everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're ready, click Save. Your new tax rate will now appear in your list of tax rates and will be available to use in transactions immediately. And that's it. That's how you change a tax rate in Xero or create one from scratch. It's a straightforward process once you know where to go. Organization name, settings, tax rates, then either edit an existing rate or click New Tax Rate. Keeping your tax rates accurate is extremely important for compliance, reporting, and making sure your invoices calculate correctly. So anytime there's a regulatory change or a percentage update, you now know exactly how to handle it inside Xero. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials and accounting software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.